This isn't my flea circus. Oh, you caught me. I couldn't kill him. I love the little guys. So I know. And the chess team has plenty of rocks.
You might have known him from the hit TV series Saved by the Bell. Sad to say, Dustin Diamond passed away at age 44 after being diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV, Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after this short break. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV, Celebrity Scoop. It's a sad day in entertainment once more after the passing of Dustin Diamond, popularly known for the portrayal of the role Screech in the hit TV series Saved by the Bell. Screech passed away on Monday afternoon, weeks after being diagnosed with stage 4 cancer, according to his manager. He was aged 44 years old. Diamond's condition had greatly declined last week, and he was taken off the breathing machine in an attempt to transfer him to another medical facility. This was stated by a spokesperson, Roger Paul. His girlfriend Tash Jones and a friend were by his side when he passed away last week. His manager also revealed that he had just been diagnosed with cancer just last month, but said that the former child star was waiting on test results to learn the exact location and nature of the cancer when he passed away. Diamond was diagnosed with the brutal, relentless form of the malignant cancer only 3 weeks ago before his passing. In that time, it managed to spread rapidly throughout his system. The only mercy it exhibited was its sharp and swift execution, said in a statement from Paul, and that would have been his spokesperson, and Diamond's longtime management team. Dustin did not suffer. He did not have to lie submerged in pain for that. We are grateful. Diamond came to fame in the 1990s in the role of the Saved by the Bell TV hit series as Stretch. Dustin Diamond was a humorous and high-spirited individual whose passion was to make others laugh. He has that sense of humor and also loved by many right across the world. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to the family and friends of the late Dustin Diamond, who always plays a character in the hit TV series Saved by the Bell, who goes by the name Stretch. Many of you would have known this TV series if you would have been born in the 80s, as this became a household name throughout the world. And sad to say, this individual passed away just weeks after being diagnosed with cancer. This is where we're going to leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out. Much respect goes out to you, the viewers, as always.